Hey guys, welcome back to Codesign. So before understanding what is API, let's first understand what a web service is. So to understand it, we can say like web service is a medium through which we can share information between two peoples. Now, who are these two peoples? So these two peoples are client and the server. Now let's understand the client and server architecture first in a nutshell. Okay, so a client and server architecture includes two components. Number one is client and number two is server. So a client could be anyone who requests the data. It can be me or you searching over Google using our mobile or laptop. So our mobile or laptop currently acting as a client, whereas a server is someone who respond to our request. For example, Google Baba responding our request, showing us some results around the topics we have just searched. I hope this much part is clear to you. Now let's understand in which format this communication is happening. Okay, see, whenever a client made a request, it's in XML, and whenever server respond back, it's again in XML. And XML is nothing but extensible markup language. Now, the protocol used throughout this communication is HTTP or HTTPS. Now let's understand what all things are required to say if a certain service is a web service. So first is remote access. This means if we can access a service remotely, maybe with the help of internet, then it's a web service. And this indicates that internet connection is required for a web service. Number second, communication standards. This means if we need to perform request and response using web services, then messaging standard is required. And what's that messaging standard? That is XML. Number third, platform independent. This means our web services can be developed and accessed by any operating system or browser. This allows different systems to interact with the web services regardless of their underlying tech stack. So guys, this is all about this video. Give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for similar content.